Wondering how to use your skills to create a real world project? Here are some quick tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Identify a problem. Look around for everyday problems that can be solved with technology. It can be as simple as to-do lists or as complex as smart home system. Tip number 2. Plan your projects. Outline your project's scope, features and goals. Break it into manageable tasks and set a deadline to complete each task on time. Tip number 3. Use version controls. Tools like Git can help you track your changes and collaborate with others to help you code efficiently. Tip number 4. Test and iterate. Continuously test your projects, find and fix bugs, get the feedback from your users and make improvements. Tip number 5. Showcase your work. Build a portfolio to display your projects. Use platforms like GitHub to share your work with potential employers. That's it. Start applying your knowledge to build projects and let your skills grow. Follow TNP Officer for more such content.